How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to be appear offline on WhatsApp even when are you online. So let's get started. First, you'll have to turn off last seen or online. For that, simply open WhatsApp. After you open WhatsApp, from there, at the bottom right, tap on settings. From settings, simply tap on privacy. Now from here, tap on last seen and online. Simply select for nobody from here. After that, back from here, and from the privacy section again, you'll have to find out the option for read receipt. After you find it, tap and turn off that. Others won't know if you have read their messages. You can use the airplane mode to read message. When a message arrives, turn on the airplane mode and you can open the conversation and read the message completely, and turn off again the airplane mode when you close the WhatsApp app. Fourth, you can use the WhatsApp notification, read message from the lock screen or notification panel. This way, WhatsApp doesn't mark you as online or read. And that's it. These are the ways you can try to be appear offline on WhatsApp even when are you online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.